Hey guys, Rob here. Did you know that there are special loans for veterans looking to become homeowners right here in North Carolina? And what exactly are the benefits of a VA loan? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down. I'll go over the different types of VA loans and tell you exactly what you need to qualify. If you've served, you've earned these benefits. So don't leave money on the table. Now, let's get started. Hey veterans, before we dive in, if you need help navigating the real estate market here in the Triangle, my team and I, we can help you. Whether you're buying, selling, or need financing guidance, we've got you covered. Call or text me at the number in my bio, or you can send me an email. Let's find the right home for you. Now, let's talk. Homeownership is part of the American dream. And for our military veterans, your VA benefits provide a unique pathway to that dream, making it a reality. With no down payment and competitive rates, VA loans simplify the home buying process and ease financial burdens for those who served. Now, let's break down the different types of VA home loans available for you. Purchase loan. Standard VA loan, no down payment. This is the most common VA loan. It allows eligible service members and veterans to buy a home with zero down payment and no due diligence fees, which is a huge advantage in today's market. So if you guys remember the crazy real estate market back in 2018, early as 2017 and 2016, it was crazy. I had a VA client I was working with, and we were actually able to help him get a home without having anything down. And remember, those were the days where people were putting up anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 in due diligence. So this VA loan was a huge benefit for my client. So the next type of loan you have access to is a VA renovation loan. Thinking about fixing up a home? VA renovation loan lets you buy and renovate a property, financing 100% of the post-improvement equity. So that means if you find like a hidden gem that needs a little bit of work, you can upgrade it while still using your VA benefits. This one's a tongue twister. Interest rate reduction refinance loan. Want to save money every month? An interest rate reduction refinance loan can help. You can lower your monthly mortgage payment by reducing your interest rate, move from an adjustable rate mortgage to a fixed rate for long-term stability. This is an easy way to free up cash without jumping through a ton of hoops. So before jumping into purchasing a home, you'll need a Certificate of Eligibility, or a COE. You may qualify if you meet one of these criteria. If you've served 90 days during wartime or 181 days during peacetime. If you have 6+ years in the National Guard or Reserves, or the spouse of a service member killed in the line of duty. The COE process is simple. Now I've got trusted lenders who can help walk you through it, and I'll leave their contact info below. North Carolina offers some of the best veteran loan benefits in the country. The NC First Home Advantage program, you can get $15,000 in down payment assistance as a deferred second mortgage. Grants and forgivable loans. Veterans, you can access up to $117,000 in financial assistance tailored for military families. If you're looking to make your offer more competitive in a tight housing market, these programs can give you a big, huge advantage. So here's why VA loans are a game changer. You have zero down payment, keep your cash, no upfront cost, no PMI private mortgage insurance, save hundreds every month, competitive interest rates, lower monthly payments, flexible credit standards. Even if your credit isn't perfect, you still have options. Seller assistance. Sellers can cover closing costs, reducing your out-of-pocket expenses. VA loans are designed to help you win in this market while keeping your cost low. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. If you're a veteran looking to move to the Triangle or here to Raleigh, North Carolina, I made a video about the top 5 things I love about Raleigh, North Carolina. You should watch that because it's coming up next.